last. Just as keyboard lovers evaluate switch type, build quality, layout, and value, survival shovel shoppers should weigh steel grade, folding mechanism, versatility, weight, and durability. This guide reviews 5 top-tier survival shovels that combine toughness, portability, and practical features for outdoor and emergency use.
List number 1. Rhino USA Folding Survival Shovel with Pick. The Rhino USA Folding Survival Shovel with Pick is a rugged, no-nonsense entrenching tool designed for serious outdoor and off-road use. Crafted from heavy-duty carbon steel with a powder-coated finish, the shovel head resists rust and holds up well against hard soil, snow, or debris. Its smart folding mechanism allows it to extend to around 23 inches for digging or trenching, yet fold down into a compact 9x6 package that weighs only about 2 pounds, easy to stash in a backpack or vehicle. The tool is essentially 3-in-1. It functions as a shovel, a pickaxe at 90 degrees, and a pick hoe at 90 degrees, making it versatile for numerous survival tasks. The pick side has a rugged, sharp edge that helps break up compact ground or clear roots, while the saw-teeth-like serration on the shovel edge adds extra utility for cutting. The handle and joints lock firmly, providing decent leverage under load. Rhino USA backs the product with a lifetime warranty, reflecting confidence in the tool's durability.
List number 2. Suncune Survival Shovel and Survival Axe. The Suncune Survival Shovel and Survival Axe is a multifunctional tool that expands well beyond just digging. It combines a high-carbon steel shovel head and a 3CR13 stainless steel axe head, giving you both trenching and chopping capability in one kit. What really sets this model apart is its adjustable, extendable handle, a telescoping design that stretches from roughly 19 inches up to 38 inches. This flexibility means you can configure it for close-in digging, longer reach, or even as a compact axe for chopping wood or building shelters. The modular handle segments are robust and, importantly, ship with a storage pouch to carry everything safely. The shovel head is made of thickened, heat-treated carbon steel, designed to be tough enough to dig in hard ground while resisting bending or damage. Many users also appreciate the included protective bag, which helps preserve the tool's finish and makes transport easier. In terms of usability, this is a standout for bushcraft, camping, and survival because of its dual-function nature and reach. However, the added complexity and weight can be a trade-off. It's bulkier than a simple folding spade, and some of the longer handle segments may feel a little flexy when fully extended. Despite that, for those wanting both a solid shovel and a usable axe in one go, the Suncune offers tremendous value.
List number 3. Outdoor Emergency Folding Shovel. The Outdoor Emergency Folding Shovel is a streamlined, lightweight, and practical tool perfect for bug-out bags, vehicle kits, or minimalist camping setups. While it lacks some of the multi-tool features of more complex shovels, it shines in its simplicity and reliability. Made from high-carbon steel, the blade is built for digging, trenching, and basic survival tasks without unnecessary frills. Its folding design typically uses a trifold or two-joint system, allowing the shovel to collapse to a very compact size, which is ideal for tight storage spaces. The lightweight construction, often around 2 pounds or less, means it won't weigh you down, making it ideal for quick recoveries, emergency digging, or clearing space around a campsite. Another practical feature includes a serrated edge on one side of the blade. This edge isn't just for digging. It can tackle roots, small branches, or brush, giving you some minor saw utility without adding dedicated tools. The handle, though not telescopic, usually has a textured or rubberized grip to provide good control even when you're working hard. Because of its focused design, no axe head, no modular bars, this shovel is very resilient. Fewer parts mean fewer failure points. That said, for serious chopping, shelter building, or heavy bushcraft, it's not as capable as a multi-tool combo. But for users seeking a dependable, easy-to-pack entrenching shovel with straightforward durability and basic utility, this outdoor emergency folding shovel is a great, cost-effective option.
List number 4. Iunio Camping Shovel. Shovel folding. The Iunio folding camping shovel is often praised for being one of the most versatile survival shovel systems on the market. Built from high-carbon steel, both its blade and handle segments are durable and wear-resistant. The grip is covered in rubber, which provides a secure, comfortable hold even in wet or muddy conditions. What makes the Iunio model special is its multi-tool capability. Inside the shovel head and handle, you'll find a host of integrated tools: pickaxe, saw, bottle opener, emergency whistle, compass, nail extractor, hoe, you name it. This modularity gives you a small survival kit in one compact e-tool, which is especially useful if you want to minimize weight but maximize function. When unfolded, the shovel extends to about 18.3 inches, offering a good balance between reach and portability. When packed, it fits into a belt loop carry bag, making it easy to toss into your backpack or strap to your gear. Durability is a strong point. Customers report that the blade and joints survive rigorous outdoor use, and Iunio even offers a replacement or refund if you run into defects. On the flip side, because it's modular and has internal storage for tools, assembly and disassembly might feel a little fiddly, especially under field conditions. Also, while the high-carbon steel is solid, it may require maintenance, e.g. cleaning and oiling, to prevent rust if exposed to moisture often.
List number 5. 18-inch military folding camping shovel. The 18-inch military folding camping shovel, such as the AUG Tauf 18-inch model, is a classic minimalist e-tool that brings military-style durability to your survival kit. Constructed from high-carbon steel, the blade is both heat-treated and powder-coated, ensuring good resistance to deformation and rust, features that matter when you're digging in rough terrain. This shovel uses a 3-fold design that lets you fold the head either straight or at a 90-degree angle, allowing use as a spade, a hoe, or a pick. The triangular handle has an anti-slip grip design, giving better leverage without tiring your wrist quickly. At 18.1 inches when fully extended and weighing around 25 ounces, it's lightweight, yet long enough to dig effectively. The package also includes a heavy-duty nylon case with a loop for attaching to a backpack or belt. It even has padding so it can double as a knee pad while digging. Because of its simple, rugged build and trusted materials, this shovel is well suited for camping, off-roading, garden work, and emergency roadside use. It doesn't have the modular bells and whistles of multi-tool survival shovels, but that simplicity is also its strength. There are fewer moving parts or potential failure points. As one user on Reddit noted, it's portable, multi-purpose, and perfect for storing in your car for emergencies.